Hello, welcome to the sixth topic in the JSS 1 scheme of work. The topic is standard form. In this topic, we would learn the meaning of standard form, we will learn to express whole numbers in standard form, convert whole numbers in standard form to ordinary form, express decimal fractions in standard form, convert decimal fractions in standard form to ordinary form. We'll learn the meaning of rounding off numbers, the rules of rounding off numbers, then we will round off numbers by place value, round off numbers to significant figures, round off numbers to decimal places, and then solve more problems on large and small numbers. I believe that at the end of this topic, you would be able to solve many problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.